Hi everyone and welcome to our Zendesk release and updates report for October 2025. So before we begin, just a quick note on how this report is structured. The updates report is divided into different sections and it's based on the Zendesk product areas including support, knowledge, analytics, workforce management, QA, and AI. Each section highlights the key changes and what these mean for our operations within Zendesk. So let's get started. We kick off with the admin center. This is the main place where admins set up and manage their Zendesk account, including users, security channels, automations, and product settings to control how the whole support system works. The first one, Zendesk will be removing a set of legacy system custom user fields from our platform. As a result, they will no longer appear in user profiles or interfaces after November 4th. So this has been already implemented. So please check with your developers if this has interfered with any of your workflows. Moving on to the next one, record level permissions for custom objects. Custom objects are used to store and manage the data that's unique to a business. It can be any data that does not fit in the user, organization, or ticket bucket. For example, if you are a real estate agency, you would like to create a property, visit request, and purchase agreements custom object. Zendesk announced a new improvement to that record level permissions for custom object. So the admins can now define granular access rules for each custom role and their ability to create, read, update, and delete custom object records. This means you can tailor access based on their user roles, ensuring sensitive data is only visible to those who truly need it. It's a big step forward for maintaining data integrity and compliance with complex organizations. We have a modernized views admin page. So what we can get with that announcement and with this enhancement, we can reorder views with drag and drop. We get new filtering system and we get increased column limit from 11 to 15. We also have a change in the CSV exports. They now show a single user-friendly custom status column instead of the legacy ID name fields. Also, the custom ticket status column can be added or removed like any other column, resulting in no status column in export. Please be mindful of that because if a system or integration relies on the API output for reporting, automation, or data syncing, the extra column could cause data mismatches or errors if not accounted for. For that reason, if you need more time to prepare for that update, you can opt out until the 11th of January 13. However, after that date, you wouldn't have an option to change that views. Moving on to the next one, we are introducing the security posture dashboard in the admin center. So this dashboard in the admin center centralizes key security and account settings with risk, context, and best practice recommendations. It basically consolidates scattered security settings for clearer visibility and safer configurations. It also encourages regular reviews to keep configurations aligned with best practices. Moving on to the next one, we have two announcements regarding WhatsApp. The first one is that beginning October 1st, WhatsApp confirmed the migration of all WhatsApp business accounts over to the client-owned model. This change empowers businesses by giving them direct access to their WhatsApp business account tools. What this means, no disruption to integrated numbers, ownership transfer to your business manager, and full access to WhatsApp business features. Let's continue with the next one. Zendesk now supports WhatsApp product catalogs. enabling full e-commerce experience directly in WhatsApp through Meta Business Manager and Sunshine Conversation API. What needs to be done? First, setting up a product catalog in Meta Business Manager. From there, you can choose to share one product, multiple products, or the entire catalog with your customers. After a customer selects the products they would like to purchase, we can use business rules in the backend to populate a ready-made shopping cart on your e-commerce site and serve it back to your customer in the same WhatsApp conversation. When it comes to support for product questions originating from the catalog items, with context works out of the box and requires no configuration. We have two new app releases and they both don't require code. The first one is the App Builder, which is an AI powered app development solution built right into the Zendesk platform. What we can use it for? We can create and refine custom apps within the Zendesk using plain language prompts. Expand Zendesk capabilities to support your unique workflows and business requirements, and we can also build apps that connect to external data sources, automate agent tasks, or display contextual information, all without writing a single line of code. The next one is the Action Builder. Again, this is a no-code visual workflow tool that makes it easy to automate processes across multiple systems. It integrates seamlessly with AI workflows, making it easy for admins to build and maintain automations without developer support. What can we use it for? We can integrate it with complex operations across your organization. We can design custom workflows that aren't available in out of the box integrations. We can execute actions that are automatically in response to Zendesk events and AI suggestions, and we can build integrated AI workflows with Copilot. All custom service suite, employee service suite, and support plans have access to the Action Builder in Admin Center during the introductory period. However, in the first half of 2026, plan based limits will be introduced. When the plan based limits are rolled out, these plans will include action credits and will be eligible to purchase additional credits through the Action Credits add on. Let's start with the updates from Zendesk Support. Zendesk Support is the core ticketing system where the customer requests are managed, tracked, and resolved by agents. Zendesk announces the ability to add attachments to custom object records. So when selected, admins and agents with permissions to edit the custom object records can add up to 5 attachments per record. Some examples of how this can be used. When using custom objects to manage assets, you could attach purchase receipts and warranty documents to each asset's record. Another example, invoices could be attached to custom object records and sent to an end user for approval before processing a payment. Moving on to Zendesk Knowledge. Zendesk Knowledge is the platform for creating, managing, and delivering Help Center articles and other self-service resources that help customers solve issues independently and help agents find accurate information quickly. Within Zendesk Knowledge, Zendesk continues to expand integrations and visibility into how AI tools assist agents. We can connect custom objects records to your knowledge base articles. With this update, you can use lookup relationship fields to define relationships between the custom object records and your knowledge articles. This creates a seamless bridge between structured data and your knowledge content. For example, you can link a product custom object record to that product setup and troubleshooting article. You can also connect the location custom object records to an article with the store locations hours and directions. Associate a software custom object record with your release notes article. Insights to Auto Assist procedures. What is Auto Assist? Auto Assist is an AI powered tool that helps you resolve tickets faster by suggesting replies, actions, or macros. Admins can create procedures for Auto Assist to guide agents on resolving customer requests. You can define steps, actions, and macros for AutoAssist to suggest replies or actions to the agents. Then agents review and approve these suggestions before they are applied when working on a ticket. The new feature gives you insights into how frequently AutoAssist follows your procedures and how agents benefit from them. For each published procedure, you can access the following key metrics. Tickets. This measures how often AutoAssist follows the procedure. Acceptance rate indicates how often agents approve the AutoAssist suggestion. Edit rate reflects how often agents edit the suggestion. Knowledge admins can use the Knowledge Connector to connect Confluence sites and spaces to Knowledge, where their content can be ingested and discoverable as an external knowledge source for knowledge in the Agent Workspace, Search, Help Center Search, and Generative Search. The Knowledge Connectors are available for all Zendesk Suite and Zendesk Knowledge plans. You must be an admin in both Knowledge and Confluence to use this feature. Every plan has its own limits. If you exceed those limits, you have to buy the data storage add-on to connect more external content. Moving on to messaging. Messaging lets you have rich conversations with your customers that are persistent with full context and history. When you enable messaging, you can connect it to your website, help center, mobile apps, and third party channels, making it easy for your customers to self service or connect with your agents. You can add tags to messaging inactivity reminders within messaging. So, what are inactivity reminders? These are automated messages that alert agents for customers when a conversation has gone quiet for a while. For example, if a customer hasn't replied for a long period of time, admins can set up these inactivity reminders to notify end users when their messaging conversations become inactive. You can configure up to 3 reminders, customize message content, and with this current enhancement, apply tags. Those tags act like labels, helping teams easily track or report on these tickets later. This feature is now available on all eligible accounts. Going forward, new users will have default tags included in their inactivity setting, and accounts created before this release will need to add their own tags. Zendesk Analytics. Zendesk Analytics shows data and reports from all your support channels in one place, helping you to understand performance and make better decisions. On the analytics updates, Zendesk has focused on real time visibility and smarter data management. Here we have the first one, which is very important. It's about the new data retention limit for analytics in order to improve performance. So, through December 19th, Zendesk will roll out an update that will result in analytics only retaining and reporting on data from the most recent 37 months. Any configured report using data other than this limit will no longer display results, with the exception of unsolved tickets. If you select a date range prior to that limit, Zendesk Analytics will not return all their data. So, if your organization relies to analytics for historical reporting beyond 37 months, you may wish to take one of the following steps before this change to take an effect. The first one, you can export reports and dashboards that rely on data other than 37 months, or second, you can adapt your workflows by accessing historical data through other Zendesk sources, such as searching directly in the agent workspace, exporting ticket and user list from the admin center data export feature, or pulling historical raw data from your account using the Zendesk API. Real-time monitoring dashboards. So these are a new space within Zendesk Analytics that combines data across various channels to help customers make faster, smarter decisions. Through use case-based related dashboards, incoming tickets, ticket progress, and agent productivity. From there, we are moving to workforce management, which receives several improvements around scalability and team management. This is the tool that helps you plan agent schedules and make sure that right people are available to help customers at the right time. Zendesk are enhancing the workforce management bulk user management feature by adding functionality that allows admins to manage user assignments to teams in bulk. This update allows admins to assign users to teams in bulk instead of editing each individually. It's a simple but time saving change that helps large organizations keep workforce management clean and up to date. With the next one, bulk management also extends to work streams. So admins can add or reassign multiple team members to several work streams at once. It's especially useful during reorganizations or seasonal staffing changes, saving hours of manual updates. New feature Workforce Management Performance Board. The performance boards allow you to create sets of reporting metrics, define goals for them, and share them with your teams. When sharing is turned on, agents can see these boards in their workforce management agent schedule and have a better understanding of how they are doing across those metrics. To foster some friendly competition, there is also an option to turn on leaderboards for your performance boards. Leaderboards rank agents within a team based on the performance board metrics and the agent's performance. Admins can now define rotation periods for automatic shifts. This was only previously only possible for fixed shifts. This means rotating schedules like alternating weekends can be automated, improving fairness and simplifying long term shift planning. And finally, we will wrap up with the AI and automation, where Zendesk continues to evolve its copilot and AI agent capabilities for more intelligent real time support. AI agents are the next generation of AI powered bots that automate and resolve your customers' issues across service channels. We have two levels of them. The first one is the essential level, which is designed for quick self service adoption. With it, you can create generative AI agents that use knowledge based self service. The second level is the advanced level, and it is designed for customers with high support volumes or more complex automation requirements. And Copilot is an AI assistant that helps support agents while they work by suggesting replies, automating tasks, and giving real time insights. It works behind the scenes to make agents faster and more accurate, unlike bots that talk directly to the customer. Starting off with the removal of custom resolutions in AI Agents Advanced. In AI Agent Advanced, we have custom resolutions. These are categories that are used to describe how the AI solved a customer issue. For example, escalated to an agent can be used, escalated via email, or unresolved. This is used for AI agent conversations where the issue was not answered or resolved. Zendesk will be removing these custom resolutions in AI Agents Advanced in favor of automated resolutions. They will also be removing the Custom Resolutions tab in the Analytics dashboard. Automated resolutions show how often the AI truly handled something independently, and now you will be only billed for those verified successful resolutions. The migration and removal of the custom resolutions is scheduled for February 28 next year. So Zendesk decided to make this whole change because they believe that automated resolutions are a better measure for the organization's automation success than custom resolutions. If you are using custom resolutions to trigger the collect bot satisfaction rate reply system, these custom resolutions will be automatically migrated to the new forthcoming actions designed to trigger bot satisfaction on February 28th. Next one, all messaging customers can now view AI agent conversation as read-only tickets in support and agent workspace. Within Zendesk, agents can see the tickets being handled by the AI agent, but they cannot modify it or assign it until the AI agent escalates the conversation to an agent. If you want to turn this feature off for now, you can see the guidelines that are provided in the link of the announcement. However, note that starting January 6th, this feature will be on by default and cannot be turned off. As part of this change, Zendesk have automatically updated all existing views to add the condition ticket support type is agent. This condition ensures that AI agents tickets don't disrupt your existing views. However, you can always create or edit views to show AI agent tickets as needed. AI Agent Advanced can now pull information from conference sites and spaces as part of their generative answers. This improves the accuracy and completeness of AI responses, especially for companies that already store documentation in Confluence. This expands the content sources available beyond web crawlers and Zendesk help centers, enabling access to your existing Confluence content within advanced AI agents. Moving on to the Copilot announcements, you can reuse your existing custom ticket fields with entity detection. What is entity detection? Entity detection helps us to identify key information in tickets like product names, and they highlight these words very quickly for a quick action. This feature enhances automated workflows and reporting, allowing you to better prioritize and route tickets. Until now, entity detection worked only with newly created custom fields. With this release, you can reuse your existing dropdowns, multi-select or rejects custom fields for entity detection. That means less setup effort and a smoother integration with current ticket workflows. This is perfect for organizations that are already using structured field data. Real-time AI suggestions for voice with Copilot. Yes, calls are being transcribed from speech to text in real time, and agents can generate AI suggestions from help center content. How this works? When an agent is speaking with a customer over the phone, the AI agent the copilot listens in real time, just like it does for chat or email. As the conversation happens, it suggests helpful information, next steps, or even phrasing the agent can use to resolve the issue faster. For example, if a customer says, I forgot my password, Copilot might instantly suggest the password reset process or a relevant knowledge base article so the agent can use it. Enhanced Zendesk Copilot ticket summarization. Ticket summaries, they are a short AI generated recap of what the whole conversation is about. It helps agents quickly understand what happened in the ticket without reading every message. So, this new feature includes both public replies and internal notes from a ticket's conversation, and the word limit has also been expanded from 50 to 100, and ticket summaries capture more ticket context, including the core problem. This saves agents time when reviewing tickets, improves handovers between the team members, and ensures customers don't have to repeat themselves if their case has been transferred. They can see right away what the issue was, what's already being tried, and what's left to do. Zendesk has added a leave feedback button to the Auto Assist Composer in the agent workspace. This button appears as the form of a widget. Here we can see it. So this feedback widget is where the agents and admins can provide predefined or custom feedback about the quality of Auto Assist suggestions. One tip, this widget sometimes also opens when the auto assist is manually paused by clicking the on button here. So you can stop this widget from appearing by clicking ask me again in 7 days. However, if this is clicked 3 times in a row, then the widget stops appearing. So please be mindful that also. Zendesk is introducing generative AI writing tools within the Admin Center's macro creation flow, allowing users to easily enhance, simplify, or adjust the tone of macro content directly as part of the Copilot add-on. As you know, macro is a prepared response or action that an agent can manually apply when they are creating or updating tickets. This update helps users to save time and improve content quality by enabling quick AI assisted editing when creating or managing macros. So this was the last announcement, and thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us via the emails provided here on the slide. And again, thank you for your attention.